Sunday morning and we rolled up to Fun Spot. Let's go get some rides on Arieforce. Arieforce One. This thing's a monster. I love this ride. But just to know, when you come in early and if it's cold, this ride will not be running. So be aware of that. So make sure you check your temperature and know if the park is running this or not, all right? But this just should be going on today. So if not, you could end up with one of these signs, see? Well, Arieforce was amazing, Fun Spot was amazing, but the lights here were great. So gonna hop in, get some quick rides, get something to eat, and see some lights. Jack Frost hitting the park. Holidays.
See you, everybody. Stay cool, all right?
Yeah, very cool. Love it. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Just wrapping up day 2 at Six Flags over Georgia. Got Twisted in the background. What a great night. Man, had some good food at Daddy's Barbecue. Lights are still popping tonight. Heading over to Busch Gardens, Tampa tomorrow. I think we're going to SeaWorld on Tuesday. Man, good lights, good times, good friends. Remember to keep your hands up, your seatbelt buckled, and your phone in your pocket.